day, and welcome to DIY Math. Today we're going to be working on fractions, and what you're going to need is an egg carton. You can cut the top off to make this easier. You can use what you like. We are going to fill our carton up with white golf balls. So the first thing you need to know about fractions is that we use fractions to measure numbers that are greater than 0 but less than 1. So initially, for the introduction to fractions, we are going to be talking about numbers that fall between 0 and 1 on a number line. The practical application for this: carpenters use math in real life. Bakers use math in real life. Anytime you do a monetary transactions with somebody, you are doing math in real life. Let's talk about how to teach your kids to use real life to learn math. We're starting with fractions because I find that students struggle with seeing a fraction written on a board like 1/2 equals 2/4. Okay, they struggle with seeing the numbers and not understanding how those numbers really relate to them. As adults, we can forget that kids don't have all that background knowledge that we've built up, and so we can get impatient, we can rush the process, or we can treat kids like they're slow, which is not going to help them love math any more than they already do. How do we go about using an egg carton and golf balls to teach math? So what we see here are 12 golf balls. What I also see here is one full carton. So the golf balls are the pieces and the egg carton is my whole. With 12 golf balls, my egg carton is full. So I have one egg carton. I have 12 golf balls. Okay, my egg carton is divided into 12 sections to hold those balls. If I remove 2, is my egg carton still full? It isn't. It's not full. So I have 12 sections in my egg carton, and I have 12 balls in each of those sections. So 12 balls in the 12 sections equals one full egg carton. In my one full egg carton, I have 12 golf balls. If I take 2 golf balls out, is this statement still true? Well, now I only have 10 out of my original 12. Only 10 of my 12 spots are full. So I do not have one full egg carton anymore. Now what I'm showing you here is language. My 10 golf balls out of my 12 sections does not equal one full egg carton. Now I have less than one full egg carton. Do I have 0 egg cartons? No, it's not empty, it's just not quite full. So have your kids fool around with their egg carton. To start with, you're just going to want a simple egg carton, 12 golf balls or equivalent. Your denominator is the number of sections that you have divided your whole into. Okay, so for this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sections, so that is our denominator. Okay, 12 sections, and for all of those sections to be full, that means we have a numerator of 12. Now if I take out 2, have I changed the number of sections in the carton? Have I changed the number of potential golf balls? No, because there's still 2 sections even though there's no golf balls in them. So my denominator is still 12. It's still divided up into 12 sections to make a whole. But my numerator is going to become 10. I now have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 golf balls. So I have 10 twelfths. Get your kids used to using terms like numerator for the number that shows us how many pieces we have, and the denominator that shows us the number of pieces in the whole. Is don't use terminology like 10 over 12. 10 over 12 means nothing. 10 over 12 is really commonly used, but it's actually not good mathematical language. 10 twelfths tells me that I have 10 out of the 12 that would make a whole. That means something. So what I suggest you do is teach your children numerator, teach them denominator, give them some examples, and then have them show you what they understand. So using the frame, take away the 10 and put 5/12, and then have them add or subtract golf balls to show you what 5/12 looks like. So you can flip it around by removing golf balls and having them show you what that fraction looks like written down, and have them say it out as they write it. In this case, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls out of a possible 9, 10, 11, 12 for the whole. And then have them say, I have 8/12. Let me know in the comments how old your child is and how fast they got tired of playing with it. Were they willing to play with you for 5 minutes, or after 3 back and forths did they say, I'm done? I'm really interested to hear from you. We're going to move on next time to equivalent fractions, and in that video we'll be sectioning our frame, and I will be introducing a 10 frame.